Hey guys, it's going to be a quick video on how to reset the maintenance lights on the new 2020 Versa. Everything you're going to need is right here on the left side of the steering wheel. Use the arrows right and left to scroll the driver information center. Then once you get to the cog wheel, the up and down arrows, you use them to scroll the menu options. And when you find what you want, you click OK to select the menu option. So we'll zoom into the oil change screen, and as you can see, the mileage isn't set. This is a brand new car, but if it were, you'd go down to reset, make you confirm, and click OK on yes. But if we did want to change it, very easy. We just go into the screen, use the up and down arrows to get to whatever interval you would like. Nissan recommends 3750 factory interval, and then we just back out of that screen. Now you'll see here, after I get out of the screen, I hit the left arrow, and that's actually a mistake because that just puts you back in the driver information center, and then you got to scroll through again to find your maintenance screens. But the same way we did oil, same way you do tire, just you have to click on reset and then click OK to confirm that, and then to back up correctly, you use the undo arrow, and it will just take you back one step. So if you ever get into a screen that you're not familiar with, just click the undo arrow and you don't have to worry about messing anything up. Or you can click the left or right arrow, but then that just takes you back to the driver information center. And the other screen is, people generally use it to set it to like 20,000 miles to remember to do their air and cabin filters. So you can use that for whatever you want. So yeah, don't be afraid, play around with it. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do in there. Some pretty cool screens, miles per hour, gas mileage, your radio, and then my favorite, the tachometer. It's pretty cool. So there it is, guys, nice and simple. Consider subscribing if you like it. Until next time, peace.